Below is a very detailed, textbook-level explanation of Fenoprofen, suitable for pharmacology exams, nursing drug study, or clinical reference. Each section expands the concepts, rationale, and clinical significance. Fenoprofen detailed drug explanation. 1. Generic name, drug class, brand name, drug forms. Generic name, Fenoprofen. Drug class, nonsteroidal anti-inflammatory drug, NSAID. Propionic acid derivative, same subclass as ibuprofen and naproxen, known for strong anti-inflammatory and analgesic effects. Brand name, Nalfon. Drug forms, oral capsules, 200 milligrams, 300 milligrams, 400 milligrams, 600 milligrams. Fenoprofen is only available orally, unlike some NSAIDs that also have topical or injectable forms. Number 2 definition. Fenoprofen is a non-opioid analgesic and anti-inflammatory medication that reduces pain, swelling, stiffness, and inflammation by inhibiting prostaglandin synthesis. It is primarily used in chronic inflammatory disorders such as rheumatoid arthritis and osteoarthritis. Number 3. Mechanism of action in depth. Normal physiology. Tissue injury activates arachidonic acid. Cyclooxygenase enzymes, COX-1 and COX-2, convert it into prostaglandins. Prostaglandins cause pain, sensitized nerve endings, inflammation, vasodilation, edema, fever, hypothalamic temperature reset. NASH, Fenoprofen action, non-selectively inhibits COX-1 and COX-2, reduces formation of prostaglandins, leads to pain sensation, inflammatory response, fever. Clinical consequence of COX-1 inhibition, reduced protective gastric mucus, reduced platelet aggregation, increased risk of GI bleeding, ulcer formation. Number 4, pharmacokinetics, detailed. Absorption, rapidly absorbed from the gastrointestinal tract. Food may delay absorption slightly but does not reduce total bioavailability. Distribution, 99% protein bound to albumin. High protein binding increases risk of drug-drug displacement interactions. Metabolism, metabolized primarily in the liver, produces inactive metabolites. Excretion, eliminated mainly through kidneys, urine, small amount via bile and feces. Half-life, 2 to 3 hours. Short half-life, frequent dosing required. Uses, clinical purpose. Fenoprofen is used for conditions involving pain, inflammation, swelling, joint stiffness, especially useful in chronic inflammatory joint diseases. Number 6, indications, approved and common clinical use. FDA-approved indications, rheumatoid arthritis, osteoarthritis, ankylosing spondylitis. Other clinical uses, acute musculoskeletal pain, mild to moderate postoperative pain, dysmenorrhea off-label. 7. Contraindications, detailed rationale. Fenoprofen should not be used in patients with absolute contraindications, known hypersensitivity to phenoprofen or NSAIDs, aspirin-induced asthma or NSAID-related allergic reactions, active peptic ulcer disease or GI bleeding, severe renal failure, post-CABG surgery, cardiovascular risk. Why? COX inhibition worsens bleeding risk. NSAIDs reduce renal prostaglandins, kidney perfusion. Number 8, before taking this medicine, precautions. Use extreme caution in patients with gastrointestinal risk, history of ulcers, chronic alcohol use, elderly patients, cardiovascular risk, hypertension, heart failure, previous MI or stroke, renal and hepatic risk, dehydration, chronic kidney disease, liver dysfunction. Pregnancy. Avoid especially in third trimester, can cause premature closure of fetal ductus arteriosus. 9. How to use. Administration guidelines. Take orally with meals or milk. Swallow capsules whole. Maintain regular dosing intervals. Use lowest effective dose for shortest duration possible. Dosing information. Adults, arthritis. Initial dose, 400 to 600 milligrams, 3 or 4 times daily. Maintenance. Adjust based on symptom response. Maximum dose, 3,200 milligrams per day. Elderly patients, start at lower doses. Monitor renal function closely. 11. Missed dose and overdose. Missed dose, take as soon as remembered. Skip if next dose is near. Never double dose. Overdose manifestations, nausea, vomiting, abdominal pain, drowsiness, confusion, severe overdose, hypotension, respiratory depression, coma. Emergency treatment is required. 12. Stop or avoid taking. If immediately discontinue and seek care if black, tarry stools, vomiting blood, severe chest pain, shortness of breath, facial swelling or rash, reduced urine output. Number 13. Side effects. Pathophysiology-based. Common side effects. GI upset. due to COX-1 inhibition, headache, dizziness, edema, serious adverse effects, GI ulceration and bleeding, acute kidney injury, myocardial infarction or stroke, severe skin reactions, Stevens-Johnson syndrome. Number 14, vital information, black box warning. NSAIDs carry FDA black box warnings for cardiovascular risk. Increased risk of myocardial infarction, stroke, risk increases with dose and duration. Gastrointestinal risk, ulcers, bleeding, perforation can be fatal. Now 15, other drugs that will affect Fenoprofen. Drugs increasing bleeding risk, warfarin, aspirin, clopidogrel, SSRIs, SNRIs. Drugs affecting kidney function, diuretics, ACE inhibitors, ARBs. Increased drug levels, lithium methotrexate. Number 16, patient teaching expanded. Take with food, avoid alcohol, do not combine with other NSAIDs. Stay hydrated. Monitor blood pressure. Report any GI bleeding symptoms immediately. Do not use in late pregnancy. Number 17, drug comparison, clinical perspective. Fenoprofen versus other NSAIDs. Short half-life, frequent dosing. Similar efficacy to ibuprofen, less convenient than naproxen, comparable GI and CV risks. Why choose Fenoprofen? Effective anti-inflammatory response. Suitable when other NSAIDs are ineffective or contraindicated. Summary: Fenoprofen is a potent NSAID used mainly for inflammatory arthritic conditions, requiring careful monitoring due to GI, renal, and cardiovascular risks. Thank you. Have a nice day.